Hi, welcome back. This is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm making stuffed Mediterranean style pork chops with the bone in. I am going to go put my hair up and I'll come back and I'll walk you through how I make this recipe. It's going to be a quick one. So I'm back, the hair is up. Before I forget, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there and the little bell and click it onto all so that you know when all my videos go up. Said that all in one breath. Anyway, share with your friends, tell your friends. And also, I'm available for some demos. If you want to do a virtual live demo, just reach out to me. You can reach me on my new website, josiesfunkitchen.com. All right, here we go. Let's get started. I have set my oven to 400 degrees. It's preheated. We have two 1.5 to 2 inch thick bone-in pork chops. I'm going to take, I have 2 tablespoons of feta cheese, and I'm using French feta, which is very flavorful. I chopped up 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of Kalamata olives. You're going to see how easy this is. And I'm going to use 1 clove of garlic because I only have, and I'm going to press it in here like this. This is a funny little gadget. Watch this. There you go. And use it up to 1/2 cup of the spinach. And you can see how much liquid has come out of this. And I'm eyeballing this because I think this is about 1/2 cup. I would say, here we go, about 1/2 cup. We're going to take this and I'm mixing this. I'm going to use my hand and then I'll go wash it. Just mix this all together because this is the stuffing. Let's try the chef's knife on this one and just cut a little pocket. Yeah, just a little bit. Hold it together and just cut a little pocket. You're going to have to feel it a little bit, because this is where all this yumminess is going to go into. Okay, take a look. Take a little yapper. Okay, I'm going to split this in half. All right, here we go. I'm making a little ball and just stuff it. Look at that. See how I'm doing it? Very easy. It's actually very, very easy. And so that's one. Here's the other one. I think this is the best way to do this. You got to use your hands. Your hands are going to get dirty. Looking like a little meatball. So stuff it right in there. This was perfect for 2 big pork chops. Just push it in there. Now I'm going to take this little spoon. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's do this first. I'm going to take this skewer and secure these like this. Make sure you take them out before you eat them. That would not be fun. Cut. Okay, we have the pork chops ready. I want to take a little bit of black pepper. Actually, what I can do is just put it in my hands like this. Little salt. And rub it in. Okay, so let me tell you the steps that I'm going to take. Is I'm putting some canola oil. I don't know why I'm yelling, but I've been heating up this pan on medium heat. So let's get the canola oil in there. Turn this back up to medium. Hear that? Now while it's grilling, I'm not touching it because I want those nice grill marks on there. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. It's starting to smoke, so I'm going to turn this fan up And I'm gonna flip. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those grill marks. Flip it. Beautiful. I'm gonna do another 2 minutes. These are thick pork chops. Okay. Yum. All right. I'm gonna flip it on like this. Might put a little bit more oil in here. And no fire alarm. Just gonna move this over here. Doesn't fail. Scared me. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. Go wave off the fire alarm. You get this on the pan. This looks really pretty. Take a look. Into the oven, 400 degree preheated oven. And usually when you hear that little beep, let it go for about another 10-15 minutes until the internal temperature is going to be about 140 degrees, just like this. Take a look at this. It smells so good. I'm going to put it right here. Hopefully it doesn't fly off like my chicken parmesan dish did. But I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's taste test time. While I was making it, well, while it was in the oven, I made myself a Greek salad with some fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, feta cheese, and the Kalamata olives, and of course garlic. I'm going to put some olive oil and vinegar on that, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. And you can make a side dish of rice and or roasted potatoes, and I have a video on that as well. So anyway, oh, and of course we have wine, but I didn't even know where to start. Oh. All right, this would not have been good on camera, but remember I said before we put it, there we go. We gotta take these skewers out. Gotta use your fingers, but that's okay. Because now, you can look, I can taste the salt and pepper on there, which is delicious. All right, here goes. Let's cut right into there. Oh, can you see this? All right, I'm gonna dip it in the little, we call it bug juice in our house. I'm gonna cut this in half because that's a big piece. All right, let's see how it came out. Oh my God. You can tell I'm not faking it. That is really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to make these videos fast for you because I know people don't want to sit around for a half hour watching it. This is delicious. So please go to josiesfunkitchen.com, get the recipe, or I'm going to keep putting the link in the information below, but please subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and get the word out that Josie is having fun in her kitchen. And also, if you want me to come to your kitchen, let me know. Reach out to me. Have a great day and enjoy. See you next time in Josie's Fun Kitchen. And cheers.